Hey everyone, I am Alp Galip. Welcome to Vienna's most magical Christmas destination, the Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt. Every winter, the grand square in front of Vienna's City Hall transforms into a glowing wonderland, filled with lights, laughter, music, and the sweet scent of roasted chestnuts. In this video, I'll take you on a complete journey through the most iconic Christmas market in Vienna, sharing the best things to see, eat and experience, plus all the essential travel tips to help you plan your visit. The Christkindlmarkt at Rathausplatz, also known as Vienna Christmas World, has been one of Vienna's most beloved holiday traditions since the 1970s. However, the roots of Christmas markets in Vienna stretch back as far as the 13th century, making it a truly historic celebration. Every year, more than 3 million people visit to experience its festive charm and joyful ambience. The grand Gothic-style City Hall provides a breathtaking backdrop that enhances the market's magical atmosphere. Together, the lights, architecture, and holiday spirit create an enchanting scene that feels straight out of a fairy tale. The market is located right in the heart of Vienna at Rathausplatz, directly in front of the City Hall building. Getting there is simple. The easiest way is by taking Metro line U2 to Rathaus station, which stops just a few steps away. You can also reach it on foot from the Ringstrasse or nearby landmarks like the Austrian Parliament and the Volksgarten Park. Because of its central location, it's easy to include in any sightseeing route around Vienna. Best of all, entry to the market is completely free, allowing you to visit as many times as you wish during your trip. In 2025, the Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt will open its doors from November 14th to December 26th, welcoming visitors every day from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. On Christmas Eve, the market usually closes a bit earlier, around 6:30 p.m., to let vendors celebrate with their families. Even after the stalls close for the season, the festive atmosphere continues in the surrounding park. This area transforms into the famous Vienna Ice Dream, featuring skating paths and illuminated trees. It's a beautiful way to extend the winter magic well into January. With nearly 100 charmingly decorated stalls, the market offers an incredible variety of handcrafted gifts and decorations. You'll find everything from wooden toys and glass ornaments to handmade candles, ceramics, and soft wool scarves. Many of the sellers are local artisans who continue traditional Austrian craftsmanship. Each stall has its own charm and personality, so it's worth exploring them slowly. Be sure to visit the Heart Stall and the Tree of Hearts, where couples hang glowing red hearts for one of the market's most romantic photo spots. No Christmas market visit is complete without indulging in the festive food and drinks. Start with a steaming cup of Glühwein, Austria's famous spiced mulled wine, or enjoy a cozy mug of Kinderpunsch if you prefer a non-alcoholic option. Wander between the stalls and try roasted chestnuts, pretzels, sausages, and crispy potato pancakes. For dessert, don't miss Lebkuchen, the traditional gingerbread cookie, or Baumstreusel, a warm chimney cake coated in sugar and cinnamon. Every flavor, aroma, and sip adds to the heartwarming Christmas magic that makes Vienna's Christkindlmarkt so unforgettable. Right next to the main market area, the beautiful Rathaus Park transforms into a lively winter playground. There's a small ice rink designed especially for children, making it a great place for families to spend time together. A larger skating area winds through the illuminated park paths, where you can rent skates and glide under sparkling lights. The mix of music, laughter, and glowing decorations creates an enchanting winter scene. It's the perfect spot for both couples and families to add a touch of adventure and fun to their Christmas market visit. One of the first things you'll notice is the impressive entrance arch, decorated with candle-shaped lights that shine brightly at night. It's one of the best places for photos and selfies, welcoming visitors into a world of festive charm. Inside the market, you'll find a vintage carousel, the romantic Bussy Square for couple photos, and a glowing nativity scene nestled in the park. Every direction you look reveals another beautiful detail, from colorful stalls to twinkling trees. The entire market feels like a living postcard, a dream location for photography lovers and social media enthusiasts. To enjoy the market at its most peaceful, plan your visit early in the day or on a weekday afternoon. If you want to experience the true magic, arrive just before sunset when the lights begin to sparkle across the square. Make sure to dress warmly, as December nights in Vienna can be chilly, and bring some cash since not all vendors accept cards. For photographers, a wide aperture lens and tripod are essential for capturing those perfect low-light shots. Whether you're here for filming, photos, or pure enjoyment, these small preparations make a big difference. A great time to arrive is around 4:30 p.m., just before the sun goes down, to see the market come alive under the evening lights. Begin your visit by wandering through the stalls, sipping a hot cup of Glühwein, and trying a few local snacks. Stop by the Heart Tree for romantic photos, and then watch the skaters gliding through the illuminated park. Before you leave, enjoy a ride on the carousel or treat yourself to a sweet dessert. Spending about 4 to 5 hours here allows you to experience everything without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. The Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt is truly Vienna's most iconic Christmas experience, offering a magical blend of tradition, light, and festive joy. Its setting in front of the historic city hall makes it both visually stunning and culturally rich. The only downside is the large crowds, especially during weekends and evenings. To get the best footage or photos, visit once during the day for details and again at night for the glowing ambience. Bring reusable mugs or bags to stay eco-friendly, and always keep your camera ready, because every corner here tells a beautiful story. If you have a few extra days in Vienna, make sure to explore some of the city's other enchanting Christmas markets. The one at Schönbrunn Palace offers a royal backdrop and elegant atmosphere perfect for evening strolls. Belvedere Palace hosts another stunning market where the lights reflect beautifully over the water. Near St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Rathausplatz market offers a more intimate and spiritual setting. Each market has its own unique charm, but Rathausplatz remains the true heart and symbol of Vienna's festive season. And that's everything you need to know about visiting the Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt in Vienna. Whether you're coming for the food, the atmosphere, or just the holiday spirit, this market captures the very essence of Christmas in Europe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And subscribe for more travel guides and vlogs from around the world. Merry Christmas from Vienna!